Hello friend, Namaskar. We are learning the assembly language program. In assembly language program is very important for your coming future. We are going to write program in C also. So don't be afraid. Learn this as much as possible. This is very important for you. Believe me, this is very important thing. I'm again and again stressing every time this sentence. Okay. So we have already done few program in assembly. If you not seen, I will request you to go through it and watch those video sequentially and follow the procedure. Even we had given the assignment. Start doing that assignment. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact us. We will be happy to help you. Today our program is we want to add 3 in accumulator 10 times. We want to add 3 in 10 times. So basically whenever this kind of thing is happening, we may need to write the loop. So what will be our approach? Like we may be using some register. In this 8051 we are having R0 to R7. We are having the general purpose register. We do have some other thing also, register banks and other things. So I don't want to confuse you that. So like what we will use, maybe R1. So we will load some count value in that R1 and then we may be looping. So 10 times we will be looping. How to loop I am going to tell you. So in assembly we are having instruction called DJNZ, decrement and jump if not 0. So what we are going to say, R1, and then where we have to jump. So consider we can say L1. So we can write L1 here. I am going to write code for you, so nothing to worry. So it will be something like that. So what it will be, we will be loading value in R1 in 10, and then we will be doing our action, and then we will decrement. It become 9, go here, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once it becomes 0, it will come down here. So this approach we are going to use in a programming. Let's move to Keil and write a small program here. So here is Keil. So if you people don't know how to make first program, I'll request you watch my earlier video, it will help you. If not, you can go here, project, new project, and then you can give the name of project whatever you want. So like I'll say loop, you can give any name you want. Then microcontroller 89S52. We are using this 8051 microcontroller. This is the simplest controller to learn embedded system. We are not learning here 8051. We are learning embedded system using this. Keep this thing in mind. Don't think like this is 8051. It's not like that. It's very strong, very powerful controller, and it's enough for your learning. Okay, so and later on we will be having the ARM and all controller, you will able to do it. We will have video for that also, so nothing to worry on that. So select your controller. We don't want a startup file. Come here, source file. I told you we have to make an assembly file. Select assembly file. If you don't know this, we already have a separate video for that. Add file. Now this is our file. Let's start writing programming. So we can say org0, and then we can say move R1 comma like hash 00. We want to load 10 here. 10 means A in hexadecimal, so we are loading this. Then we can say the clear accumulator, and now what we have to do, we have to write a loop. So we will be writing like DJNZ or DJNZ and R1, and if decrement and jump if not 0. So where to loop, consider as I told, we will loop to L1. So this is my L1 place. This is L1 is level. You can give any name you want. So now what we have to do, we have to add 3 in accumulator. So how we can say add A comma, or you can say A comma hash 003H like that. So it will be add 3 10 times. So it will be decrement R1 10. It will 10, 9, 8 like that. It will go till 0, and once it becomes 0, you will get it added 3 in accumulator, and at last you can move the answer to maybe some other register. I'll move to R2. Answer will be in accumulator. That's all. So it's a simple 4-5 line program. Let's save it, build it. 0 error. If you have any error, solve, and then you can, by clicking this button, you can go into debug mode. So let's enter in debug mode. As I told, it's a evolution version and it is enough for your learning. So go ahead. Now you can see here detailed description we already discussed in few program. Here like I will talking, so you can watch previous videos. So now what we done, we took in R1 we took 10 and then accumulator we cleared, which is already cleared. Then we are adding 3, so you see accumulator will become 3 now. And then R1 currently is 10, and then when I decrement it become 9. You see here currently it's a 10 and then it become 9, and it now it moved to loop 1. Same way now it will again decrement 8. You see it become 8. Like that it will be doing 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now 1. Now it come. Now see R1 value is 1, and now it will decrement and check. So it will decrement and check. So now it become the 0. That's why it exited this loop. So our loop is finished, and now we are coming whatever value of A, which is IE, and that we are moving to our R2. So now R2 is AE. So we got our answer. So in this program what we had seen is how to write a loop in assembly language programming. So hope you find useful. It's very important. Learn it. It will help. Definitely it will help. Believe me, it's definitely going to help you. And like the channel and subscribe us. If you have any comment, you please write it. And if we are making any mistake, please let us know. We will happy to correct it. And thanks for your time. Have a nice day.